Welcome to my tutorial, how to learn breakdancing in 5 easy steps. First of all, I'm gonna teach you a move and then I'm gonna give you time to practice. Shall we? The first move you're gonna learn today is the kick out. And as the name suggests, you gotta kick your legs out. So let's go. From a squat position, you're gonna put your left hand on the ground. One hand on your head, say oopsie daisy. I say it and you do it. You're gonna kick, bring it back, switch hands. Kick, bring it back, switch hands. See, that was easy peasy, lemon squeezy fish. Now I'm gonna put a timer for 1 minute and we gotta do together. Start slowly and then to a normal pace. Are you ready? Let's go. Hand on the floor, oopsie daisy. Kick, bring it back, switch. Kick, bring it back, switch. Let's go. Hey, did you enjoy our video? That was a lot of fun. Please practice everywhere the kick out. And don't forget to subscribe because this year, every week I'll be putting a video here on this channel teaching you a bunch of cool stuff from 18 months to 10 years old. Breaking, parkour, arts, teaching, visiting places. So please stay tuned at Studio Dre YouTube channel.